What led the judge to dismiss the plea against Rahul Gandhi's controversial speech? Leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi's remarks sparked legal battle. Rahul Gandhi's speech sparked a legal battle over sedition charges. The additional district and sessions judge dismissed Simran Gupta's application seeking registration of an FIR against Gandhi. The Allahabad High Court has also dismissed the plea seeking registration of an FIR against Gandhi. We are now fighting not just the BJP and RSS, but the Indian state itself. Rahul Gandhi's provocative speech sparks controversy. The Allahabad High Court has dismissed a plea seeking the registration of a first information report against leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi over his remark that he was in a fight against the Indian state, made during a speech at the inauguration of the Congress party's new headquarters in New Delhi. The controversy arose from a speech delivered by Gandhi on 15 January 2025 during the inauguration of the party's new headquarters, Indira Bhavan, in New Delhi. While addressing party workers, Gandhi alleged that the BJP and RSS had captured every institution in the country, including the judiciary and the media, and stated, "Do not think we are fighting a fair fight if you believe we are fighting against a political organization called BJP and RSS. You have not understood. We are now fighting not just the BJP and RSS, but the Indian state itself." Following the speech, Simran Gupta, an office-bearer of Hindu Shakti Dal, filed a complaint alleging that Gandhi's remarks were seditious and anti-national. She contended that the statement portrayed the Indian state as an adversary, was intended to destabilize the country, hurt the sentiments of citizens, and undermine national integrity. The Additional District and Sessions Judge at Chandosi, Sambhal, dismissed her application seeking registration of an FIR, labeling the case as weak and holding that the remarks did not meet the threshold for criminal prosecution. Gupta subsequently approached the Allahabad High Court, which has now also dismissed her plea. Was this verdict fair, or did the judge go too far? Tell us in the comments yes or no.
Here's what this means for you. Under Indian law, freedom of speech is protected under Article 19(1)(a) of the Constitution. When filing a complaint for sedition, ensure you have evidence to support your claim and follow due process. Save this video for future reference.
Follow Legal Output on Instagram and Legal Output Official on YouTube for daily legal updates.